What a beautiful morning! I have to dig this den super fast so I can go practice my running. Yes, we are friends of the forest.
I will run from here and go to the end of the sister's house. You will catch me.
Have you noticed that the water is slowly drying up?
We have to do something.
The sweet pond is drying up. We really have to do something. We can't just sit around and keep our mouths shut. How is this possible?
See if there's any trouble at the fountain.
No one will come here.
I found the problem.
What happened? Why won't anyone say anything?
The fox near the fountain is naughty. He wants to take all the fruits and flowers for himself. We must be...
Not to worry. We have to use our wits.
The fox wants to eat alone.
Greed is his weakness.
You're right.
Ja, Kai Yun.
I have come to tell you something.
We have found a very large orchard over there. It was really a group of rabbits. Let's see.
I will move the stone.
Yes, do it! Hooray! The water is flowing again. What did you do?
It's everyone's forest. It's a human doing.
Why did you do that?
If they are friends, they will get everything.
I made a mistake. Please forgive me.
Look how much fun they're having out there.
It certainly is a beautiful day. Tra-la-la, what a lovely day.
We dance along the forest road, singing loud and clear. We're going to the bathing pond, splashing time is near. Oh, the water's fine, we're gonna splash and shine. Heading down the path to the bathing pond. Time to head inside. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Greed makes people lonely.